welcome to another episode of Habitat for Humanity, Wisconsin River Area's DIY series, Make It in a Minute. In this episode, I will be showing you how to make this attractive coat hanger with a hidden storage compartment. The first step, as always, is to find your materials. The Restore has a wide selection of new and used building materials perfect for this project. You will need basic tools such as screws and a drill, hammer and nails, sandpaper, as well as lumber, paint, and of course, your coat hangers. You will also need measurement tools, as well as small hinges and hook screws. For coat hangers, I use spare fan blade arms off a scrap ceiling fan. As for the lumber, the Restore has a large quantity of high quality new and used lumber. I suggest picking up a long board, roughly half an inch thick, as to not make the finished product too heavy when hanging on the wall. Measure the board so it has enough room for each of the coat hangers while keeping about 3/4 of an inch of a gap between each arm. Next, cut down a piece that's about 1 inch shorter length and width-wise to allow for slight overhang on all sides. After sanding and cutting your boards, you'll want to find your walls for the storage compartment. As the initial plank I used was too thick for what I needed, I found a long piece of trim to lighten the piece up as well as add some decorative texture to the piece. Cut the trim down to fit tightly around the smaller piece of wood into a box. Make sure to adjust the measurement of your smaller side to overlap your longer piece. Now, nail the pieces of trim into the edges of your smaller side to avoid splintering. It's time to add your hinges to the larger face board. Screw the hinges onto the very top of the board, making sure they are all equally spaced. Now, screw the other side of the hinges into the top of the box. Make sure to choose screws that are small enough to be secure into the trim, while not long enough to show through the other side. After that, pre-drill some holes into the back of the inside. Then screw your hook screws into them for key hangers. Next, paint your piece before adding coat hooks. Make sure to add 2 to 3 coats and fill every corner for the best look. Also, make sure to cover your hook screws with painter's tape. Now, measure equal spaces for your coat hangers and screw them into the faceboard to finish your piece. Thank you for watching Habitat for Humanity of Wisconsin River Areas, Make It in a Minute. Make sure to check the description for more information about Habitat for Humanity of Wisconsin River Area, as well as a list of needed materials. Thank you for watching.